Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can download and install the Deliveroo application on your Android device. Deliveroo is a British online food delivery company that delivers your takeouts or essential groceries from the best rated local partners straight to our door. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap in Open Play Store application on your device. Then you go to the search bar and you type in for a Deliveroo. Tap on search. There you can see the application at very first. Just beside of the application you can see install button. You tap on it and wait for the application to be fully installed. As you can see, the application has been fully installed. Now you can tap in open and go in for using the Deliveroo application. Hope this video is truthful for you all on how you can download and install the Deliveroo application on your Android device. Thank you.